Good afternoon, Cheap Jeepers, and welcome back. So today we're going to be doing a comparison against Shine Armour and WD40. I want to leave a little poll up here somewhere. Now I want you guys to vote on which product you think is going to work the best on cleaning the engine bay. So I'll let you guys vote now, and then we'll get on to the video. Spray it over a moderately fair amount over a good portion of the surface that you want to clean. Alright, now we're going to let it dry, and, well, no, don't let it dry, just let it settle in, get all that dirt that's stuck on there all nice and loose, and you can wipe it off. Alright guys, I've just finished doing this side here with the Shine Armour. You can already see that it's coming up so much better. So I've got this side to do now. A lot of dirt and dust there, and on the rocket cover, valve cover, whatever you want to call it, on the brake booster, a lot of dust and dirt. It's overly not that dirty, but I'm going to be doing this side here with WD40. I've done that side there with the Shine Armour. Now the difference between, well, I think the difference between the Shine Armour and the WD40, with the WD40 I can kind of just spray down behind things like the air box and stuff like that to get all the stuff you can't really see. Where with the Shine Armour, it kind of just sits on the paint and it's designed to be wiped off, where with the WD40 it's like more liquidy, I guess you'd say. So everything will kind of just leak away, and everything that I can see I can just wipe away. So let's start spraying stuff down and get onto it. So this side here has a Shine Armour, and this side here has a WD40. Now let's have a look at the Shine Armour first. It's got a couple little spots there. It hasn't really dried too well. I did wipe it down as best I could in all those little spots, but don't know about that one. Let's have a look at the WD40. Looks pretty good. Doesn't look like it's dried and left any marks on there or anything. It's looking nice and clean on that rocket cover, or valve cover, whatever you want to call it. I think, in my opinion, I think the WD40 side has come up a lot nicer than the Shine Armour side. I mean, I could probably spend a bit more time and get it nice and really clean, but for a quick job that didn't take a lot of time, I think WD-40 would probably be the way to go. Pretty happy with that.